Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y70 and today I would like to show you how you can use it in pop-up view on this smartphone. First of all, select an app like browser and click on the square button. Now click on the top right corner of your app on this icon, and as you can see now I can use it in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, just drag it. If you wish to use it to overlay other app, you can always access the other one and operate in both of them. If you want to make your app smaller, click on Home button. In order to access it again, click on the bubble. If you want to close your app, you can make it full size by clicking on the top left corner. You can close it by choosing the top right one, but you can also make it smaller. Make it smaller, and then drag your bubble to the pin icon. When it's red, let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!